Fucking McMahon. I hate this guy. Fucking McMahon. I hate this guy.
The camera is still on.
Yep. Oh. I hate Richard McMahon.
For what?
For the traffic violation I observed. I need to see your
You're detaining me
license.
for a traffic violation.
Yes, I am. Open the door.
You're detaining. Come here.
Welcome back to We the People University. My name is Abiyah, former police officer and former sheriff's deputy. Now, policing is supposed to be based on enforcing laws and making arrests if a person broke a law, not based on you're going to make an arrest because you dislike or hate a person. And that's exactly what we're going to hear in this video. A cop says on camera, and he also says, I don't care, knowing he's on camera. He goes for it to say, I hate this guy. And we're going to see just how much he hates this guy because he's going to make every effort to make an arrest that should have never been made. This is the Broken Arrow Police Department located in the state of Oklahoma. Leave your thoughts and your comments down below. Let's jump into this video and we'll talk more later.
Hello.
Good evening.
What's going on?
He's pissed because I'm trying to get this yard done and he doesn't like how I'm parking.
He's a fucking prick. I mean, he's always doing stuff like this. I mean, this guy's just trying to work and cut yards, and I mean, he does stuff like this all the time.
Oh, I'm very familiar with
I'm
Mr.
sure you
McMahon.
are, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just sorry. I just wanted to vouch for him because I know you're just
Okay.
trying to do your thing, and he's always got to be a fucking. He's saying he couldn't back out. He had plenty of room, even with my tailgate down.
Yeah, he's
he
made
was
that
able to get
argument
out of his driveway, and he decided to try to barricade me in here.
Okay. Did you at any point in time try to leave?
No, I'm still working. I just got done with mowing. I'm just starting with the edge. Or...
Richard was blocking the road.
Yeah. Mr. McMahon was on one. Yeah, I'm recording. Mr. McMahon was on one when I got here.
Let's see if he's in your cage.
I haven't quite determined what we want to do yet. So I get here and he's got his little four-door car blocking the entire cul-de-sac so that he can't leave. Yeah, he's on a tirade about how I'm blocking the cul-de-sac. He can't get out of his driveway. He says at one point Richard takes his finger and shoves it into his chest. I said, well, do you want to press charges for the assault and battery? And he's like, yeah, well, not if he doesn't want to do anything. Kind of a let me think about it situation.
So some backstory. So what's going on is one of the people who live there in that area, in that neighborhood, and also right there in the cul-de-sac is upset that the guy who was cutting the grass has his truck and his trailer in the center of the cul-de-sac, and he feels like it's blocking his driveway. The police show up and they determine, well, the trailer has nowhere else to go and it's not blocking the driveway. Now, there are a few neighbors in the area as well who thinks that this guy is a bit of a pain in the butt. But it's not illegal to be a pain in someone's rear. If you don't break any laws, then you should not be arrested. But this cop does not like this guy. Therefore, he's going to base all of his actions that we're about to see from this point forward on the fact that he doesn't like this guy.
Even the firefighter neighbor right there with the two trucks, he was trying to get in his driveway. Richard's blocking the entire cul-de-sac, won't let him in. And he comes out and he's like, yeah, Richard's a fucking prick. And I'm like, yep, he is. Yeah, we're very aware. So really at this point, I was just going to see what all traffic charges I have on Richard. Illegal parking probably would be my guess. Illegal parking probably would be my guess. Because I asked him, I was like, were you trying to leave it all? And he's like, no, he was just blocking the cul-de-sac. So I'm like, okay. Which I can write him a citation for because I saw that. And then we just need to determine whether or not he wants to press charges for the assault and battery. Do you want to press charges for the assault and battery?
Is he still trying to press me? Am I potentially facing a ticket for not parking legally?
As from what I can see, you haven't done anything wrong at all.
Is he still being good?
I
I really don't want to, but...
Okay. Okay. Had Mr. Nunley to call.
This is why I avoid you before.
I know. I know.
Shouldn't get away with it.
Fucking McMahon. I hate this guy. Fucking McMahon. I hate this guy.
The camera is still on.
Yep. Oh. I hate Richard McMahon. I don't care.
So we clearly hear it. I hate Richard McMahon. I don't care. And it's on video. Now, when he was talking to the guy cutting the grass, asking him, would you like to press charges? Mind you, he's only gotten one side of the story. It's his hate for the other party involved that's going to make him move towards pressing charges, although it's only hearsay at this point. He has no facts, no evidence. Even the neighbor who came out never said that he saw the other party put his hands on the guy that was cutting the grass. He only said that, yeah, he could be a pain in the butt. There's no evidence. It's hearsay. But yet and still, because he does not like Mr. McMahon, he's willing to press charges. And although the guy says no, he does not want to press charges, he's just going to find another reason. Let's keep watching.
Well, he doesn't want to press charges for anything, so we'll just let it go. He's not going to answer the door for his improper parking, so.
You want to try?
Sure.
He, when I was measuring, did open the door, so he's right there.
No.
Did he answer the door? Like, did he open the door out of curiosity?
He opened the door and then looked and then closed the door. So he's by the door. He's watching.
Of course he is. Yeah, we can try. Hello. Just wanted to let you know that the trailer is legally parked.
Oh. So I can go park anywhere in the cul-de-sac the way he's parked?
The way he's parked is legal. The way you were parked when I showed up was not. So I need to see your driver's license so I can issue a citation for blocking the roadway.
I didn't block the roadway.
Yes, you did. I saw you when you... Listen. Hey. I'm investigating a traffic crime. You do not have the right to do that. You are detained. You are detained.
Come in my house.
You are detained.
For what?
For the traffic violation I observed, I need to see your
You're detaining me
license.
for a traffic violation.
Yes, I am. Open the door.
You're detaining
Come here. You are under arrest. You are under
all
arrest.
5 of you.
Yep, you are under arrest.
All 5 of you. Hey.
You got a gun?
Hey.
So let's understand this. You illegally parking is not a traffic violation. Okay. I could write that citation and you don't have to be there. I don't need your ID. I don't need any of that. I can't speak for every department, but as for the department I work for, we had electronic tickets, citations, what we would write on the computer. But specifically for parking, we had a ticket book. And we would just write down the VIN, the tag, the information, and we would place it on top of the windshield and turn in the copy. Therefore, we know which citation or which vehicle goes to that particular citation. I never needed an ID, or I didn't have to know who was driving the vehicle. I can just write the citation. I'm saying that to say this. A parking ticket or illegally parking is not a traffic violation. He's not in traffic. He's not moving. He's not driving. So now you show up at his home and the door is closed. And if you listen carefully, he's talking to the other officers. The officer in this video, he's talking to the other officers. He makes it clear that Mr. McMahon won't open the door, but we could try it and see, but he's not going to open the door. So it's really nothing we can do about it. He knows as long as the door is closed, they can't go into the home because it's not a traffic violation. Now, here's the kicker. You see Mr. McMahon open, there's 2 doors. He opens the first door, but there's a glass door there. And that one accidentally comes open, but he closes the door back. Now, while still talking to the officer, he's talking through the glass door. The officer states that he wants to write a citation. Mr. McMahon has all the rights in the world to close his door. You cannot barge in. You do not have a warrant. You do not have exigent circumstances. You did not see anyone fleeing from a felony run into that home. You do not have what it takes for you to enter a home without a warrant. All of these rights are being violated, again, based off the hate that this cop has for this man, and he's not thinking and he's just reacting. And you're going to be able to see how they continue to react towards Mr. McMahon throughout the rest of the video. Let's keep watching.
Let me go. Hey.
One second. You are under arrest. Quit resisting.
Not resisting.
Give me your arm.
Good Lord. Hey, guys. Oh, my goodness. Don't break my...
Well, then,
Quit resisting.
Ow.
Quit resisting.
I'm not... Ow.
you are actively resisting against me.
I am not... Holy...
Now you're under arrest for resisting arrest, obstruction, and the parking violation.
Okay.
All right, don't move so I can get these locked.
I never resisted you to begin with.
Yes, you
All
did.
5 of you hit me.
It's all on body cam, sir.
Parking violation. Come on. Hey.
I'm going, guys.
Hey.
I'm going.
Hey, real quick. We did this once. Do not do it
Ow!
again. Hey, stop. This can go either which way you choose.
I'm
All right?
choosing to
You
go
can peacefully walk
peacefully.
out there, or you can keep fighting us and
I'll
go
go-
back to the ground. Do you understand?
Come on, Pepper.
Yes or no?
Yes.
All right, let's go.
Again, they just simply don't like this guy. Is he a prick, as they say? Is he a pain in the rear? Maybe, but that's not illegal. This is why he's getting this treatment. And if you watch the video closely, you will see him actually walking. They're not keeping in mind this is an elderly gentleman. He is a little older, so he may not walk as fast as you want him to walk, but he is indeed walking. The roughing him up was completely unnecessary.
I'm not gonna. I thought I could walk out here peacefully. I thought that.
Yeah, we shut the door. Keep walking.
Ask him. I don't know.
Well, yeah, what am I being with?
I told you.
Where you go to this store back there?
Did somebody grab my thumb?
Where you go?
I never even tried to resist or anything. You all came on me like a.
Wow.
All right, Richard, do you have anything on you?
No.
Okay. Take the glass off. There we go.
Sleeper, did you get the phone? We
Hey,
get the phone. It was right next to that end table.
Let me get the air turned on for you.
Yep.
You could also get animal at large. You really wanted to.
Well, I don't think we can push the animal at large.
Yeah, I'm not willing to push that. His
Did
glasses
Sleeper get the
right
dog back inside?
there. Yeah,
They ran
dog's
back
back inside.
Who was that to him, the female?
Pretty sure it's just a neighbor. So,
Well, she jumped in to get involved pretty quick, didn't she?
sure did, didn't she?
So, and there we have it. You have police officers showing up to someone's home. They're responding to a call, yes, but their reaction was based purely on hate. So for any of the naysayers who says anything other than what we've been saying for a long time, you heard it straight from the officer's mouth himself. I hate this guy. And due to his hate, he was driven to arrest this man and go into his home without a warrant based off a illegal parking situation. According to the Broken Arrow Police Department, this video was reviewed and the officer has been placed on leave and is under IA investigation. I have no further information if the charges were dropped against the homeowner or not. That's to be determined, trying to figure that part out. I will keep my eyes on this one, keep you guys updated and let you guys know where it goes from here. But here's another good example of why you always record the police, because just knowing your rights in today's America is not enough. Record the police and know your rights. With that being said, we the People University, signing off.